Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to copy paste a formatting style in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so we have this project management sheet, and let's say we want to copy paste the formatting of this cell to this cell because we really like this yellow background with a nice red text color. So let's say we want to copy paste the formatting style. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is go to the cell you want to copy the style, the formatting style of. Then you have to click on this paint format. Now we have copied the style, and if we want to paste the formatting style, so make the formatting of this cell the same as this cell, then we just have to click on that cell, and as you can see, the formatting of this cell has been copy pasted here. So now this is how you can copy and paste formatting style in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.